So I'm going to read a poem. This is my second published poem from the Connecticut Bards Northwest Poetry Review. This is a poem by me, Karl Nicholas Urso, called I Know the Hearts of Human Nature. I know the hearts of human nature, emotions strong enough to cheat. It causes kings and queens to lose their crowns, nations to go down in defeat. I know the hearts of kings and queens to have someone and not be faithful still, all because of a cheap booty call, searching for a cheap thrill, and the nations are still burning still.